So I've just bought this Lexmoto Arizona 125, and if you look at the other side on the whatchamacallit, oil thingy measure place stuff, then you can see that the fucking oil is completely black. It's right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the oil on it, and since I didn't see any videos on YouTube to actually how to do it. It turns out it's really easy, but I couldn't find any video on it, so I decided to do one of my own. So basically, uh, following the recommendations online, I bought myself where is it? That one, yeah, the Castrol Power One 10W40 4-tack oil, which apparently is like one of the best you can get. And yeah, so I'm gonna put that in. So if you're a new rider like me, maybe you'll find this video useful. So basically, on the left side of your bike, oh right, yeah, before that I did take it for a little ride just to warm up the oil, to basically to sort of soften it up, to make it more liquidy. And yeah, well, without further ado, basically what you need to do is you need to go on the left side of your bike and find this big motherfucking nut here, which was a bit of a, I've sort of undone it already, and this is out of focus. There, that one. Well, I've sort of undone it already. It was a bit of a son of a bitch to undo, but all you really need is the size 24 spanner, and yeah, so basically that unscrews. I've prepared like a little self-made sort of tray thing out of a bottle for the new oil. And yeah, well, because I do need two hands to do this, I'm gonna pause this video for now and show you what happens when I get that bolt out. Right, so what we have is some absolutely disgusting black fucking oil coming out, and I have spilt some of it. So yeah, but as you can see, it's absolutely horrible and black and disgusting. There's a spring inside it, and there's like a little filter thing inside there. I don't believe it actually has like a proper oil filter, but yeah, now I'm just gonna wait for all the disgusting black oil to come out. I'm gonna get rid of that properly, and then I'll show you what happens next. Can you see the things there? Sorta. Right, see you in a bit. Right, so now that I've disposed of the oil properly, kinda, I've basically just put this piece of tissue in there to sort of get the dirt out. Because, I mean, there's still a little bit of shitty oil, but, I mean, what you should do is you should wait for it all to come out. Fortunately, however, I ain't got time to do that. So I brought some tissues as well, somewhere there, to see if I can clean all this shit up. But yeah, basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to put back in this little filter thing. Looks nice and clean, so yeah, it should be alright. So basically that goes in there like that, I believe, with this spring here. So if you remember, there was a spring there. So basically it's a spring that goes in. Well, the filter thing goes into the spring, and then you fit that back in there, like so. And then you get the little bolt thing, which is that. Put that on top of that, and sort of start screwing it. Ugh, some bitch. Start screwing it in. Right, this is not possible with one hand, so I'll be back. Right, well, after some struggle, that is in. Let's go and put the oil in. Ugh. Right. Ugh. Okay, right, so this is nice and empty now. It's not focusing the stupid camera, but yeah, there you go, that's nice and empty now. So basically we're gonna go here and screw this some bitch. And it should be, I mean normally they are always like a liter. So a liter comes out, a liter goes in. And hopefully, because I only got a liter, so hopefully it's gonna be enough. Right, this says pulling open, and I'll be back in a sec again because obviously can't do it with one hand. Right, now I see why it was pull up and screw, because when you pull up you actually get this little fucking dolphin penis look like thing that probably helps you pour the shit in. So let's do that. Let's see. Ooh, that looks nice. Definitely better than that black oil I had. Right. See if this is filling up. Not yet. What about? Right, that's weird. I've gone about half a bottle. Still nothing showing. It's not coming out somewhere I don't see, is it? Right. Let's see. Right now, for some, I'm guessing because I didn't wait for all the dirty oil to come out. It's filling up with fucking black oil again. But I'll just basically do an oil change in a month again. That should do the trick, but it is filling up. So I'm just gonna put all of this in. And hopefully I'll be sorted. Right. Now, oh well, it is clearer than it was. You can't see really, but there, see? Let it focus. You should be able. At least it's fucking shining through. So yeah, I'm gonna close this and I'm gonna try to start it up. See what happens. Right. It was supposed to not rain today, but this is not fucking looking good. Anyway, the moment of truth, I guess. So that is in neutral. And don't look like an idiot. Okay, that has started. That's good news. Okay. Fuck me. So right, yeah. Looks good, I guess. Let's see if I stop this. Is the oil level gonna go back up where it's supposed to be? Yeah, so I suspect basically that's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be that much. But then obviously when the bike is running it's using the oil, so yeah. Hopefully, should be good. So there you go. I hope this does help somebody. And see you later.